So we're going to take a look at the Excess Power PSC-30 power supply and battery charger. It's available in a 15 amp, 30 amp, and 60 amp version. This one being the 30 amp, we'll concentrate on that one. There are three things that come in the box. The actual charger itself, a remote, has all the display on it for the amount of current that is currently being into it, the current voltage, the state of supply, that kind of thing, and it also tells you what mode it's in. You also get a quick disconnect plug that goes with the other end here. You get a flush mount, so you can mount the display wherever, and the actual power supply for it. So on this box, you've got a few different selections. You have voltage, so the 12 volt, 14 volt, and 16 volt charging. So like 12 volt will go up to 14.5 charge 12 volt batteries, 14 volts will go up into the 16 volt, and the 16 volt setting will go up into the 18 volt for charging. You've got three different modes. Charge mode that will act like a regular battery charger. Recovery mode that will do conditioning and that kind of thing if you've got a battery that's really bad or is old, or several batteries and you want to maintain them to get the most battery life out of them. You use the recovery mode. And then power supply mode. And on power supply mode, it will maintain the higher voltage. So if you've got on the 12 volt setting, it'll go to 14.4 volts or 14.5 volts, and it will actually hold that voltage and then regulate the current to maintain that voltage. So if you're using it on something like a display or anything that you would want a constant voltage, you can use that mode. For that, you've got the plug for the remote control, I just mentioned here, and then the battery temperature sensor. Where that is important, if you have that plugged in and connected to your batteries, that will prevent them from boiling over. So for whatever reason they're getting hot, be it over voltage, or maybe it's just your temperature outside is very hot, that'll prevent it from damaging the batteries. So it's actually very smart in that it'll control that. That's something that a regular charger won't do. So on this side, it is fan cooled. You've got your power on and off, and then your plug for the power cable. So there isn't a whole lot to it, but it's a very effective piece, very versatile. You can get the PSC-15, PSC-30, and PSC-60 along with all of the other Excess Power products, chargers, batteries, all that wire, everything from Excess Power we've got at emfcaraudio.com.